What's going on? We're back at it again with a 3-in-1, 3 fruits, 1 video. Our first one is, what is it, Seriguela?
Seriguela.
Seriguela.
Yes.
Let's show the folks the Seriguela.
Tiny, tiny, orange, the color. Same, but the size is different.
No scent. Nothing at all. Not picking up anything. Soft, little orange things. Okay, you know the routine. Get the handy dandy 2023 cutting utensil.
Okay. Half. I know this fruit I had before,
okay.
And I know inside have a big seed, so you can cut in a half.
Okay.
Maybe a slice.
I want them to see the seeds too inside. Ooh. Oh, this thing is dripping. Mm-hmm. Okay. All right. Well, that little raggedy one is yours.
I love this fruit.
Oh, okay.
Mm-hmm. Mm.
All right. Give us a breakdown.
I love this fruit.
Give us a breakdown. What does it taste like?
Tastes like a little citrus. Not so sweet. It's not so sweet.
Uh-oh. Here we go.
Tastes like orange. The taste.
Okay. So a mild orange.
Mm-hmm.
All right. What do you do with the seed? Oh, that is a big seed.
Yeah, this is a big seed.
That thing's more seed than fruit.
Yeah.
Okay, so.
And you can eat with the peel.
Okay, so eat with the peel. The peel is a thin, thick?
It's thin.
Okay. What else can you tell us about it? Is it sour? Any sourness?
Yeah, it's a little sour. Not too much, but it's sour in citrus.
Okay.
I love this.
That's a tough seed. I mean, that's some tough skin.
The skin is the plus.
Man, look at the size of that seed. Oh, then kind of slippery.
Save the seed.
Save the seed. Okay.
Okay.
1 to 10. What do you?
1 to 10, 10 for me, of course. Of course. 10, 10,
okay.
10, 10. How about you?
For me, you know what? I'm gonna give it like a 5, and that's because it's just like it's a waste of time. It's a waste of time. You got that big old seed and a little bit of. It's not even. You can't juice this.
No.
You can't enjoy this.
I never saw juice. We catch a bottle, a lot of, and eat it.
And spit seed.
Spit, yeah.
So I mean, to me, it's like a sunflower seed, except for, I mean, there's just nothing to it. That's a waste of time. That fruit is a waste of time being on the planet. I don't know. What did I say? What was my rating? A 6? I rated it as what? You know what? I'm gonna give it a 5.
5? 1 to 10, 5?
I'm gonna give it a 5.
Okay.
Nah. Okay. So that was a no-go. If I saw that in the store, I would think it was cute, but I would keep pushing ahead. So no, I wouldn't hunt this down at all. All right. Okay. On to the next one.
Okay, I love.
Come on, Brizzy. Okay, what is the next one? I've never seen that. It looks like
the next one.
It looks like a baby melon. It looks like a baby watermelon because of the stripes. Okay, and what's the name of this fruit?
Umbu.
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 Umbu. Okay.
Umbu.
The name. Okay, we're not gonna say nothing about the name. Yeah, split this in half. Now, how do you eat this?
No, I never eat this.
Oh, you never had it?
No, I never had.
Ooh.
Yes.
Here we go.
And I don't know the taste. Oh, this is a surprise. It's not umbu. No, this is maracuja. Looks like umbu. It's maracuja.
It's a baby maracuja.
Yes, a baby maracuja.
Okay.
But this
You already know.
looks like
it's a baby
watermelon.
Yeah, it's a baby.
Looks like umbu.
That's a small passion fruit.
Yeah, it's small passion fruit.
You already know that last one. What's it smell like?
It smells sweet.
Oh, it smells sweet. Here we go.
See.
Kind of smells the same. Here we go. Here we go.
Okay.
I want to see this face.
Let me see.
Don't tell me how it tastes. I just want to see your face.
Okay.
That is sour.
I don't tell nothing.
You know what I'm
Your
saying?
turn.
Oh, I can tell by that face. You was holding back. I'm not gonna hold back. I'm that dude. I ain't gonna hold back. Ugh. You know what? It's kind of real thick and slimy. I don't like slimy fruit.
Wow. It's a lot.
Yeah, it's a lot.
Show the people how much.
Hey, you gonna go in, go in.
It's sweet.
You know what?
It's good.
This is better than that junk we had on the beach.
Yes.
For that drink, what was the name of that drink?
Yeah, this is sweet maracuja.
Okay, this is sweet.
Sweet kind.
Okay, sweet. Give us your rating.
10 for me.
I didn't hear you.
Yeah, because I wish I print.
Okay. All right, for me, it's way better than that yellow one.
Yes.
Scale of 1 to 10. It's a hard 7.
Hard 7.
A hard 7. And you know what I always say, if I saw this in the grocery store, hey, you don't like this. If I saw this in the grocery store, unless I was getting some alcohol, I'll leave this alone.
Liquor changes everything.
Liquor changes everything. So yeah, but you know what? It's not too bad. It's not too bad.
Yeah. Has a juice, is very, very good.
Yeah. So that one actually is way better than that first piece of junk we had. Oh, thing balled my face up so tight. Okay, last one we have.
Ooh, special and very Brazilian fruit.
I've never had this before.
And,
This is the cacao, like Jerome Martin.
cacao.
Okay, for those who don't know what this is what do they call it? A chocolate plant?
Yes, chocolate plant.
It's used to make chocolate. Candy, yes. Hershey's, Nestle.
Yeah, all chocolates come from cacao.
The biggest collector, or I guess grower of this fruit is, you're going to split it up for us, right?
Okay.
Go horizontal. This way.
Slice.
Yeah, no, this way.
Okay.
Yep, just like that. I think it's the Ivory Coast. They actually have double the production than anyone in the world.
Oh, it's hard. It's hard to cut. I think it's this.
You gotta use some muscle. But yeah, I looked it up, and it looks like the Ivory Coast has the biggest. Africa is also a big grower of this fruit. Several countries in Africa grow this. I think Brazil is number 6, the bottom of the list. You need some help with that?
Yeah, impossible. Let me catch it. Bring another.
We're gonna get a bigger knife. I think we need a bigger boat. This smells like very faint smell. Okay, I'll do the honors. We're gonna use this one. Wow.
It's really hard.
Yeah. I don't know if we're going to get to this one. I wasn't expecting it to be like this.
Yes.
Okay. Making some headway. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut around. This is like breaking into I don't know,
Careful.
like a nut. So already, I can tell you that the outside is super, super tough. And no, you can't have this. This is chocolate. Chocolate. I know. Chocolate is not good for hounds. Okay, finally. After about 10 minutes, we got this puppy open. It doesn't look too good, though. Wow. Okay, it was kind of rough, but there it is. Looks like alien pods. Sniff test, what does it smell like?
Smell like wet leaf.
No, it doesn't smell like wet leaves. It smells like, wow.
Nuts. Smell like toasty nuts.
I can't describe the smell. But
Tristan never saw it.
that looks crazy. But you know what? I always say you first. Have you ever had this before?
No. That's the chocolate.
Now, for this you can eat the flesh, and there's a hard center in the middle. You can eat that also. I think it's 3 parts to this.
Yes. Oh my God, I'm scary. We have somewhere to go.
What's in the face?
Okay. I don't know what's going on.
You don't know what's going on? You know I don't know if you don't know.
I don't know. It's jelly. Sorry.
I don't know if I want this.
I don't eat nothing.
Can you bite that?
Yes, it's
Don't wreck them teeth.
I don't know. I really don't know how to eat.
Can you taste the outside? What does the outside taste like? Let us know.
Outside tastes sweet,
Okay.
but seems like the grudento I don't know the English name to taste you because you can describe in English for the people.
Describe it in Portuguese.
Em português. É grudento por fora, parece a clara do ovo. E só que é doce, é gostoso. O que será que faz?
Real slimy. I don't like slimy.
Slime, you
Oh.
said?
Show the folks the inside.
Yes. Inside the nuts.
Okay.
Interesting. It's not bad, but I just don't know how to. You don't know what's going on.
I know what's going on. 1 to 10.
This is waste of time. Brenda, você sabe como que come o cacau? Vem experimentar.
Você tem que comer a polpinha.
Polpinha? Esse aqui? Experimenta.
Come e gosta do...
Não dá pra comer. My daughter is trying to.
Okay. So for me, what's your skill? 1 to 10.
1 to 10. 3.
Okay. All right, for me.
For you?
Oh, did you like it?
You?
I did.
1 to 10. What?
10 being the highest.
7.
She gives it a 7. Kids today. Kids today. You say it's a 3, right?
I like the flavor, but you can eat nothing.
Okay. I'm going to give it a 0. Gosh. That's probably the worst thing I've ever had. I can't even say it tastes like dark chocolate. It just tastes like dark chocolate times 10. It's like, I see why we have milk chocolate now. That thing is, it's a waste of time. Don't get it. Run. Run. Don't get it. Run. Maybe it's something you got to do to it. If you have it in the house, maybe you have to process it. But the first thing, I can't get past I can't. It's no. That's a no for me. That's a
Interesting.
No, it's not interesting.
I love chocolate, but
I renounce chocolate from this day forth.
you had to toast the seeds before to turn the chocolate.
I'm never getting that taste out of my mouth. All right, so on the scale of 1 to 10, the winner is, for you, is what?
For me, it's a Seriguela.
Seriguela? Whatever. For me, it'll be this. And I ain't really like it. But that chocolate,
No.
that's not even on a rating. I think I give that thing a -0. If I can go below the -0, someone in the comments let me know what's the number under -0. I can't do it. Brazil.
Nah.
Well, y'all number 6 in production. Ivory Coast. Stop making this crap.
Oh, no, don't stop. We need chocolate. We need chocolate.
I'm done. I don't even think
Keep
I can.
going.
I don't even think I can brush this taste out of my mouth.
Drink the grape juice.
All right, I'm out, man. I'm running. I'm out. If you see this in the store, you going this way, go back that way. Don't do it. I'm here to help you. I'm here to say which fruits are good, what's bad, and just in my opinion.
Yeah.
But in my opinion, whoever likes, your daughter liked it, so I don't know what to say about her. I'm about to take her off the Christmas list. Okay, I'm done. Peace out.